yeah, I sort of cracked on with it yesterday-ish. I didn't really film anything, but what I did do was a bit of polishing. Just needs a wipe now, it's been in the bag. And there's on that bit there. So I'll paint this bit and just leave that bit polished, the groove. And obviously this one, it wouldn't come off. I know it's meant to, but it wouldn't come off. Yeah. So, and I was going to record the polishing, but on my YouTube channel, if you want to see polishing, if you go to my Kawasaki page, and in there I polish up this me H2 fork legs, and I polish them up, and you can see the process of polishing, and as you can see, you can get a very nice job. It's just very, very messy, very messy. You get absolutely covered. Anyway, so like I said the other day, I've got some cheap paint, and I've got these in the sun at the moment, warming up, but I was in the middle of prepping this lot. One up there, one down there, a bit over there. There's a bit in there. So it's not brilliant, but it never was going to be brilliant because it was only to cover the yellow up. So when I go and get it MOT'd, they mark the colour as silver and not yellow, because obviously it's a silver special and I want to register it as a silver special. So I can't register it as a silver special when it's yellow, because it's not a yellow special. So that's, oh balls, I missed one. Oh well, I just hanged it up there to dry and I forgot it, but I ran out of paint anyway. I used 2 tins, so yeah. So it's never going to be brilliant in here, but I'll wait till I see it till it dries. Yeah. And I've got 2 in here. I've got the front mud guard there and the forks, because he put some yellow on the forks, so I made them silver as well. So yeah, all right. I mean, like I say, it's never going to be brilliant because completely prepped it. I just flattened off the yellow because it's going to get or be blasted and powder coated. So that gives, and then that'll give me a base to work off. Some bits I'll be out of paint straight off the bat. A couple of bits over there as well. One under there. And that one there. And that one there. Yeah, so like I say, some I'll be out of work. I'll have to work, like fill and that, and other bits I'll be able to just paint straight off. So you can see the frame's there. So I've just got, tomorrow I'm taking the electrics off. After work I'll take the electrics off and give it a good thorough washing. Like degreasing and washing and everything else. I'm going to get some more paint on the way home. I can do that bit. And do the frame. And then it will be putting it back together. Put the engine in and everything else, get it on its wheels, and then I can physically put all the bits and pieces, all the panels on. So, here we go. Be lucky and ride safe.